The assistant commissioner may accept a broker written voluntary offer of suspension or the broker license of permit for a specific period of time under any terms or conditions which may parties agree. Okay, so that's 111.52. Copy and paste from that provision, and that provision usually deals with when things have gone bad and broker must be reprimanded because they either they're doing something wrong from the government perspective, or they did something wrong to the client, they did something wrong to the importer. So um, this for example, among the responsibilities we have this provision which talks about the complaint. So if you've been wronged, you can ask customs to investigate the complaint, and if they pursuant to this provision, and if they find that broker did something bad, they must decide: do we suspend, do we revoke license, do we reprimand them, do we fine them, what do we do with this person? And usually it is done on case-by-case basis depending on wrongful harm. But it again, under any terms and conditions, this means that there will be some sort of dialogue between customs broker and CBP, and whatever they come up with, they will be doing it within the context of permissive regulatory structure as written by 111.52. So that's important to note, and this is what customs examiners would like you to be aware as you answer this question. So this one is true as well.